How to change video quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change video quality on Android phone. First in open camera, and now just click this settings icon here in the top corner, and then just scroll down until you find video resolution and click on it. And as you see here, you can change it. You can make it anything you want, 4K, and that's how to change it. Then just go back, it will be saved, and it's easy. That's how to change camera video quality on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.